Now tell me, what happened?
Nothing. Brad and Yoanna were just helping me set up my things.
Well, it's good to see you're making friends. Friends look after one another.
I stole your scholarship. This makes us even.
Great. We're all good. Good. We're good. Hey, how'd you,
I fell.
Get out of my way! She needs to learn some goddamn manners!
Don't you take another step towards my daughter, you bastard! You wanna run?
You perving around the girls' room?
Yeah, you know me too well. Jeez. Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, Hera, what do you think's going on there?
I don't know. Probably shouldn't cry.
Yeah, seems like a tough nut to crack, but it wouldn't be my first, so... Come on. I'm home.
Give me a minute. Just let me change and clean up.